Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I am going to show you what the Potensic Atom micro drone will do when it detects low battery power or when you've lost control of the drone while it's in flight. This is a automatic return home feature that is very useful. And so here the video is going to start, and what you'll see is it would have reason up to 120 meters, which is preset in the drone. That can be changed. So it flies back to the home location right above where it started. And what you'll see now is it's going to reorient itself in the direction when it took off initially. And so you got to make sure that the space above the takeoff point, the home point, is clear. That is unobstructed. So you can see it goes straight down vertically, and in a few seconds, it's going to land by itself automatically. Here we go. Landed. Thanks for watching.